Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301 just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. Today we're going to look at this 1965 Chevy Malibu SS in this beautiful Marlboro Maroon with a black power top. A real 138 Super Sport, black interior, leather seats with the maroon inserts, very nicely done. I know it looks a little dark. We have additional pictures on our website, which is classiccarsofsarasota.com if you're interested, or you can give us a call at 941-355-1955. Does have a small block Chevy V8 in it, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. The paint is in excellent condition. This has had a frame off restoration. It is in very good condition, runs well for this Chevy Malibu SS. Again, we'll go ahead and start it up, but just wanted to show everybody the vehicle itself, show you the paint and the top. As I mentioned, there are additional pictures on our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Just show you the trunk lid. Again, the paint is in excellent shape. The chrome is in excellent shape as well. The SS caps. Again, just a beautiful, beautiful car. Small block. We'll go ahead and start it up in a second here. You can see the paint. It's in great shape. Also show you the top again, like new top, in great condition. If you're interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you're looking to finance, we do utilize finance partners that primarily focus on classic car lending, so we are able to get you lending and money on classic cars. We also will manage your shipping. Kayla, who works in our office here, has been shipping cars all over the world for about 9.5–10 years. Give us a call, ask for Kayla, and she can take care of your shipping needs. 941-355-1955. Go ahead and get this Malibu started up. As I mentioned, 4-speed. Does have a aftermarket radio, kind of looks like the old style, but is Bluetooth capable. Digital, but it has the old look. The clock does not look like it's working. Gauges. The odometer says 71,000 miles, just over 71,000, 71,025 miles. Let it warm up a little bit here. Make sure we're in neutral. Let you hear the engine and the exhaust. Engine sounds as it should. There's no rattles or knocking or ticking. pictures are a little dark here on the video. Look on our website for additional pictures. Zoom in. For additional pictures on our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, you'll be able to see about 50 to 75 pictures. Hear the exhaust. Sounds great for this 65 Chevy Malibu. Cool exhaust. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call at Classic Cars of Sarasota, at 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota if you're interested in this 1965 Malibu SS, or if you're interested in any of the other 100 vehicles we have in inventory. A couple FJs, Falcon, and on this side we have a McLaren, several Corvettes, Volkswagen, some C2s and C3s. We keep over 100 Ferrari vehicles in inventory, but today I wanted to primarily focus on this 1965 Malibu frame-off restoration and the beautiful Marlboro Maroon with a black top and a matching interior that is the black leather with the Marlboro Maroon inserts. Looks very, very nice. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Thank you very much.